a natural amphitheater where the swimming is kind of small open bar kind of a stuff. Where like we don't serve liquor though, but they can bring their own liquor in. We have so there are so many bird watchers who come in. We have a small firing range. White place, and from there you will be able to see the waterfalls also. There is a small pond. The depth of the pond is just 4.5 feet, so even the kids can go inside very safe, and it's a natural water. It will be running throughout the year. And on the other side we have a small rappelling point also.
Super.